Welcome to Skipper's Neighborhood. I'm Skipper. Now, as long as I stay between the Johnsons' backyard and the Stevens pool, making sure to stay away from Mrs. Ashworth's flower beds, then I'm all good. That's called my tag zone. If I'm in the tag zone, I'm a good boy. If not, well, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Setup and activation are as easy as 1, 2, 3. To get started, plug in the docking station. And if your docking station has a power switch, make sure it's flipped on. Next, place the tracker like so. If your status indicator is lit and facing the front, congratulations! You did it! Dog biscuits all around! When you're charging the tracker on the docking station, the status indicator flashes. When fully charged, the light turns solid, and that charge will last up to 30 days. To activate the tracker, go to tag.com and click the Activate button. If you already have an account, you can sign in now using your email and password. If you don't have an account, go to the New User area and just follow the instructions. By the way, Tag makes a great gift. Darn close to a lifetime supply of doggy treats in my book. Just saying. Next, enter your Tag ID, which you'll find here. Now, if you've already set up your pet profile, just pair the tracker with your dog profile and we're good to go. For a walk, definitely. If you haven't set up a profile, just put in your pet's name and click Continue. You can fill in the details later. Now, about that walk. Okay, it's time to set up the tag zone, so you'll know I'm where I'm supposed to be. Just enter the address where your pet spends most of his time, like your house. Now click Update Map, or just drag and drop the zone in the right location. This is the smallest tag zone. If you want to make it bigger, just click and drag. Now, name your tag zone. I lobbied for a humongous hydrant, but was overruled. Next, save your settings. Then undock and immediately redock your tracker. It's a security thing. Click Activate and stay, just for a moment. When you get the confirmation screen, you're all set. We're activated. Yes! Let's do the happy dance.